Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to record and run the tests easily using Playwright Test plugin in VS Code. So, to get that plugin, we need to go to VS Code extension. That is here, extension. Click on this extensions and here type Playwright Test for VS Code. Type Playwright Test for VS Code and press enter. Since I've already got this plugin, it is not giving me the option to install. So if you are installing it for the first time, you will get installed. Just click on install, and once the installation is completed, you will get this beaker icon. It means the installation is completed. The plugin installation is completed. Okay, now I will show you how to run the tests in test plugin. To do that, click on this testing icon and here select the project in which browser you want to run. Select that and it will activate the tests folder. If you expand this, it will list all the tests under this tests folder. So here, if you mouse over on the test script, you will get some options. Run, debug, and continuous run. So to run, click on this icon, run icon. So as you can see, it is started running. As you know, by default, it executes in headless mode. To select the browser, if you scroll this down, here in the settings, you can see Show Browser. Select this checkbox and again click on this Run icon. Now I will execute this test. Just click on this Run Test. This time it will launch the browser because I've selected Show Browser option. It performing the steps and it got closed. As we can see, one test passed. Now if you want to execute the script in all three browsers, here select all three checkboxes: Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit. Now execute the script. To execute, just click on this run button. It will launch Chromium, then Firefox, and Safari. Did I not click on that? Let me click on the run test again. Yeah, it was not clicked on earlier. So first it is executing on Chromium browser. Let me run this again. I will run locators test this time. So now it is executing. Earlier the instance was not closed, so it was not executing. It's executing in Chromium browser. Now it launched Firefox. Same test is executing on all three browsers. Now in Safari. Okay. So as we can see, three tests passed. Let me close all these things manually. It is not closing the browser because in the test I have not written browser.close. Okay. Okay. Next one is record new feature. So this will launch Playwright Code Gen for us. Click on this record new. This will record our interaction with the application and generate script for us. I will launch the application that is Amazon. Type the URL amazon.in and I will click on this mobiles and click on some link. It is generating script for our interaction with the application. To stop this, to stop recording, click on this record icon. This will stop recording our interaction. Now close this and if you can see it created script for us. The test name is test and if you see these steps, go to is to launch the application and to click on this mobile link it took get by role and again I randomly click on some link and it clicked on it and this option. So as we can see using record new we can record script for us. Using record new it will generate script for us. So how to execute that? Once again just refresh this. Click on this refresh tests icon. So this will bring up all the tests if any tests are missing. Expand these tests and this is the test we recorded. Here you can see test 1 spec.ts. To run, click on this run icon. It launched the browser, clicked on mobiles, and after this, I randomly clicked on some icon. So as we can see, the test is passed. Now, suppose you want to pick some locator. So for that, select this pick locator and open any application. And to get the locator, just click on the element you want to get the locator for. I clicked on this best seller and if you come back to VS Code here under playwright it will give us the locator. You can just copy this and use it in your script. And I will just close this. And another functionality is suppose just expand any of the test. So this file has two tests. One is has title and get started. In that you can select which test to execute. Just click on this, run. Click on this, mouse over on this and select this icon, run test. So under this example spec, it has two tests. Now I want to execute the second one. So I clicked on it. So one test passed. Though this tool provides accurate locators, it always a good practice to write your own locators when needed. and this tool will only generate the steps for you based on your interaction with the application, but it will not add any assertion. So you need to add the assertion based on your validation requirement, and I will show you that how to add assertion to your script. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and please do practice this. Try to get this plugin and install it in your machine and practice it. And if you get stuck at any step, please do comment below. I will try to answer it. And thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. Thanks again.